Hi, I am Deepthika from Namakkal, Tamil Nadu. I have completed my graduation in Janssen Institute of Technology, BE Computer Science in 2021. Next, I step into aviation. I get a chance in aviation, technoserve. In aviation, I have joined in an online internship in October. Then I had a job in HCL with a 3.8L offer in my hand. In aviation technology, I have learned about AWS, CCNA, window administration, Linux, etc. I have learned thoroughly. The experts are excellent in their domain. And then they cover the full topics as well as the theory and the practicals also. After the completion, I get a job offer letter, and then I'm getting good packages from a good company. It's all because of aviation. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you.